You're probably wondering why I'm in the bathroom like this. It's because some of you guys asked to see my curly hair routine. And I'm going to show you how I go from this to this curly goddess I'm showing right here. So if you're interested, make sure to like, comment something, subscribe, and hit that bell for future notifications. Also, enter my giveaway. It's free shit, okay? Okay, alright, let's get into it. So the shampoo and conditioner I use is the Quenching Coconut Curls. I don't know how it is with other types of curly hair, but for mine, I'm like a 3C, 3B type of curl. It's like wavy and curly. It helps with the frizz. It also makes it smell good, and it helps with detangling. Obviously, the first thing that we're going to do is wet your hair, and then we're going to take the shampoo, then you put a glob of that in your hand, and depending on how long your hair is how much you're going to put in your hand. I usually put a lot in my hand because I do have really long hair, and as you can see, that's probably a dollar coin size amount. So I like to start with the roots first and then work my way down, and I also repeat the shampoo process 2 to 3 times depending on how well the shampoo is lathering in my hair. So I learned from my mother, who is a cosmetologist, that when the soap isn't lathering and setting up, that your scalp is still dirty. So that's why I continuously repeat the process. And as the soap starts to lather and set up, I do work my way down to the end of my hair. So this is probably the last time that I'm going to use the shampoo in my hair. So if you were counting, this is the 3rd time that I applied the shampoo. And like I said before, I'm lathering it up in my roots and then working my way down, just because shampoo is designed to take the oils out of your hair, and you really need as much oil as possible at the bottom, because if you're like me, the bottom of your hair is usually more drier than the top. So now that that's over and I rinse everything out, I grab some of the conditioner and then put a heavy amount in my hand, and then I start working it through. So I like to start applying the conditioner from the bottom to the top. Like I stated before, the hair at the bottom is drier, it needs more moisture, it needs to be conditioned more to help with the detangling. So after I apply the conditioner, I like to take a paddle brush to detangle my hair. This not only helps to detangle your hair, it also helps to evenly distribute the product throughout your hair. So after applying the conditioner, I like to wrap my hair up in a bun. I'm usually taking a shower when I do my wash and go, so I usually wait until I'm done washing up to rinse it out, but for the sake of you guys, I'll probably say to keep it in for 10 to 15 minutes. And then after I waited the allotted time, I like to take the paddle brush and run it through my hair to get some last minute tangles out. And if you have as much hair as I do, you know that it's a struggle to detangle your hair. And then this is the last step of washing and conditioning your hair. So right now I'm just rinsing out all of the conditioner. So my hair like dries really freaking fast. So I like to use this infinity sprayer and my handy dandy paddle brush to detangle. I use a Denman brush to define those curls. And onto products, I like to use Shea Moisture Head to Toe Nourishing Hydration 100% Extra Virgin Coconut Oil. And for an extra detangling boost, I like to use the Garnier Whole Blend Smoothing Leave-In Conditioner. The first thing I like to do is to part my hair in the way that I would like it to fall. I don't know about you guys, but I love placing my hair into a side part. And then I like to place my hair into sections. I usually probably do it into like 4 separate sections. This makes it easier for detangling and applying the product. After I section my hair, I like to take the spritzer and spray my hair until it's dripping wet. And then I apply the smoothing leave-in conditioner. So this conditioner has coconut oil, it has coconut butter extracts, and it also helps to deeply nourish my hair and smooths all the frizziness out of it. And it also smells like a pina colada. I do use a pea-sized amount in my hair because if you do use a lot, it does weigh down your hair. And I use this because, for one, the smell, and it does help with the detangling process. And after applying it, I like to take my powder brush and run it through my hair to get the rest of the tangles out. So after brushing out the last of the tangles, I like to go ahead and take the 100% virgin coconut oil and apply it to my hair. And I do use a generous amount just because that's where most of the moisture for my hair is going to come from. And then I take my Denman brush and run it through my hair, and this will act as a curl definer. So as I run the brush through my hair, you can see that the curls are starting to get more defined and they're starting to separate to make their own type of curl pattern. And now I just repeat the process with the other sections of my hair. Like I said before, you can see that I'm applying a generous amount of coconut oil. And oh my god, like everyone that has curly hair, and if your hair is super long, you know this process takes forever. Like I was in there for probably like an hour or so detangling my hair and putting this product in there. So with that being said, I do only wash my hair twice a month, and I know what you're going to say, oh my god, that's so disgusting, but it helps my hair to be healthy and have strength, and it helps it to grow. And for curly hair, you don't need to wash your hair so many times a month, just because like I said before, shampoo is to strip the oils from your hair. So after putting in all the products, I like to take a Diva Curl microfiber towel and flip my hair upside down and use the towel to dry it and scrunch out all the moisture that's inside of my hair. And as I'm scrunching it up, you can see that my hair is starting to look a little bit more curly, and I do not use a diffuser. I love to air dry. Any process that does not add damaging heat to your hair is a plus. So you can see that I changed again into something obviously more cuter and cozier. And this is the end product of my hair. My hair is flowy, it's bouncy, it's not too heavy, and the curls are really defined. I don't have as much frizz as I would using any other products. And overall, if you have the same type of hair as me, I would recommend this process. And I would also like to say thank you and comment below if this was helpful to you and informative. I would also like to do another video that shows you how I do my second day curl routine. So if you're interested in that, please comment something. Also, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and hit that bell for future notifications. I will be posting weekly. And also check out my fashion inspiration videos. Thank you and enjoy the rest of your day.